Hi guys, so I'm going to be walking you through how to implement the delete functionalities from JavaScript in our React application. So basically how this work is when you click on the delete button, there's a pop-up that shows up that asks you, do you want to delete? So our confirmation mode. So and when you click yes, it's going to be deleted. And so let me quickly explain how this work. So the way it works is when you click on this button, this delete button, the delete doesn't happen there immediately, but instead it shows this pop-up, and then the delete happens there immediately. So this is just giving us um, that prompt for the user so that they can cancel their action for deleting, or they could actually delete it. So this is where the delete is actually going to take place. So let's go back to our code so that we can implement it here as well. So over here, what I'm going to do is I can just copy this directly and move it somewhere around here. So this is going to be our delete function, and I can copy these out for now, and I can now import the get local storage here and get the name of our local storage. We can get it here and also replace it here. So I'm going to use the new name that we are using for our set local storage function. And so because in our JavaScript we are actually passing the delete function to the actual function that deletes the to do, we are passing it to the callback of the switch alert function. So what we want to do is for now we can comment these out, since we've already commented the show confirm order method. So what we could do is let's improve the name of this function. So basically the delete to do is actually happening here in this function, why this is the one that is handling it. So undo delete is going to show a modal, why the actual delete is going to happen here. So we can rename the function name appropriately like this. So what we are now doing here is we are getting the local storage, and then after getting it, we filter out the all the to-dos that doesn't match the ID that the user has clicked. So basically we are going to remove the to-do that matches the ID that the user has clicked on, which also means that they are deleting it. So we only return the to-do that doesn't match it. So basically after then we will now set the new to-do DB that exclude the ID, the to-do that matches the ID here, and then we set it back to the local storage, and then we are fetching the to-do again so that we can update our state. So now we can now invoke this function from the UI. So what we can do is we can pass this as a prop for now. We'll pass it as a prop to to-do list here, and in to-do list we can now destructure the undo delete from here, the undo delete function. So similarly to how we have it in our HTML previously, we could now come here and do on click, and then we can invoke the function like this and pass the ID here. So what we did here is we are destructuring the undo delete function, and then on click of the this is edit button, let's go to the delete. So on click of the delete button, which is this one, which is this one. So on click of that button, we want to invoke this function that we've passed. So that's basically what we are doing here. So now we can go to our UI, our React, and let's see what we have. So I can say buy bread, add, and this has been added. This has been added here. Let's click on delete. So that works. So our delete functionality is working perfectly now. And let's clean up our code. So I can remove this comment out, and I can come here and let's see, we now need to work on showing a sweet alert in our application. So I'm going to stop the video here, and then I'll continue from the installation.